Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this, we're going to do the annual benchmark test comparison between the Realme GT Master Edition versus Realme X8 Max device. And during this process, I'll try to use a high performance mode in the Realme X8 Max and GT mode in the Realme GT Master Edition. Let's see how much difference we can actually expect between the Snapdragon 778G processor versus Dimensity 1200 chipset after the Realme UI 3.0 update as well. And we will try to focus on the temperatures as well. So which phone increases what kind of temperatures during this process of demonstration. So all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management, as you can clearly see friends. All the apps, everything is pretty clear, right? So now I did turn off the Wi-Fi and everything, so there is no Wi-Fi connection and there is no mobile data. And right now let me open the annual benchmark application at this moment. Let's see. So right now I'm trying to use exactly same kind of annual benchmark version as well. Temperature is about close to 30 degrees and 28.8, maybe close to 29 degrees and 30 degrees in the beginning of starting the test. So not bad. Let's see how much the temperatures can be there. And before that, I think I need to enable the high performance mode. Let me enable that high performance mode in the battery. I forgot to enable it. Let's go to the GT, yes. And here's the battery in the advanced settings, and yep. So high performance mode and the GT mode is enabled successfully at this moment. And let me clear, yes. All the apps are completely clear from the background. So with high performance mode and the GT mode, now we're gonna do the testing. Let's see how much it's gonna affect in terms of the results. And these are the temperatures in the beginning of starting the test, not bad. And my room temperature is about close to 25 degrees because of the cool weather outside, that's the reason. So I will be back after some time just to check what is happening overall with the temperatures between these both phones. So right now we got the annual benchmark percentage is about 48% during this time. Let's check the temperatures 32.2 degrees Celsius and 36 degrees Celsius in the Realme X8 Max device. 36 degrees Celsius and 32.4 degrees Celsius. So overall there is a difference of 4 degrees Celsius between these both phones at this moment of testing. And again I'll be back after some time. So let's see friends what is the temperatures over 32.4 degrees Celsius and 35.4. Slightly higher in the Realme X8 Max, just a little bit, but that's not a huge difference, I would say. Maybe close to 4 to 5 degrees difference is there. So depending on the surrounding environment also, the test scores will affect a little bit. So right now because of this cool environment which is in my area, that might be another reason why the temperatures are slightly lower in both phones. So using high performance mode and the GT mode, on the back side 30 degrees, not bad. The Snapdragon 778G processor will not get that heat at this moment, 34 degrees on the back side, and front is 35.2 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to be back after some time. So right now we're getting close to end of the benchmark test results as well, and we'll be able to see exactly the scores, what's happening using high performance mode and the GT mode at this moment. And definitely the Dimensity 1200 will have high scores, but how much difference regarding the CPU and the GPU scores. So these are the few things which I'll try to discuss: CPU and the GPU, and temperatures, and how much battery is decreased during this process of demonstration as well. That's also another main important thing. And we got the score about 6,99,697. So which is kind of very close to 7 lakhs benchmark score in the Realme X8 Max device at this moment. Temperature increased maximum up to 34 degrees, but battery dropped by 10%. That's a huge battery drop, 10%. And let's see what happens with the Realme GT, how much battery it's gonna drop during this time of So finally we got the benchmark test results between these both phones, and you can see 5,26,000 versus close to 7 lakhs. That's a huge difference. And the CPU wise 163 versus 180. So 1,63,000 versus 1,80,000 and 1,50,000. As you can see, and the temperature increased till 32.3 degrees Celsius in the Realme GT Master Edition and 34 degrees Celsius in the Realme X8 Max. But when I did measure the temperatures, it's kind of difference of 4 to 5 degrees difference is there between these both phones. That's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison between these two devices regarding the overall annual benchmark test results in these phones, and battery dropped only 4% and 10% dropped in the Realme X8 Max device. So that's because of the recent Realme UI 3.0 update. Because of that, the battery is draining slightly more than usual in the Realme X8 Max. Thank you for watching. Meanwhile, signing off friends, and let's stay tuned. Bye.